everyone. I hope you all are good, doing great. Let's solve one more question. So, what is given in the question? There is a jet plane A, and that is moving towards east at a speed of 900 kilometer per hour. So, speed of A is given, that is 900 kilometer per hour. Another plane B is there, and it has its nose pointed towards 45-degree north of east. आई मीन 45 डिग्री नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट कैसे बनाओगे? सबसे पहले ये लिख लो, ईस्ट ये है, नॉर्थ ये है, एंड इट इज सेज नॉर्थ ऑफ ईस्ट. ऑफ किसके साथ लगा है? ईस्ट के साथ. सो व्हेन यू विल बी टेकिंग द एंगल, यू विल बी टेकिंग एंगल विद द ईस्ट. ठीक है. सो दिस इज 45 डिग्री. आई मीन दिस प्लेन इज गोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. डन है. बट appears to be moving in direction 60 डिग्री नॉर्थ ऑफ वेस्ट. 60 डिग्री नॉर्थ ऑफ वेस्ट कहने का मतलब क्या? वेस्ट ये, नॉर्थ ये. ऑफ किसके साथ लगा है? वेस्ट के साथ. सो एंगल यू विल बी टेकिंग विद द वेस्ट. सो दिस विल बी द 60 डिग्री नॉर्थ ऑफ वेस्ट. एंड दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्लेन बी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए. क्योंकि कह क्या रहा है? It appears to be moving in this direction to the pilot in A. So when A is observing B, it appears to be moving in this sense. It means velocity of B with respect to A is in this sense. Okay? That is given in the question. Find the true velocity of B. And if this case is given, then what will be the true velocity of B? Velocity of A is already given. So you can solve it from in two ways. I mean, one you can use purely vector. जैसे यहाँ पे देख लो, हमारे पास क्या था? A is going in this direction with 900 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड से, and then there was B in this direction. So this is the direction of velocity of B with respect to ground. This is the direction of velocity of A with respect to ground, right? But to the observer in A, velocity of B is in this direction, and so this direction is velocity of B with respect to A. And how you are getting VBA? You are getting VBA by doing VB minus VA. So basically to get VBA you are adding two vectors, है ना? कौन कौन से दो वेक्टर को आप ऐड कर रहे हो? VB and minus VA. इन दोनों वेक्टर को आप ऐड कर रहे हो. So VBA is resultant of two vectors, VB and minus VA. Let's draw it here. So VB किधर है तुम्हारा? VB is this. And where is minus VA? VA is in this direction. So minus VA will be in this sense. This is this. So this is minus VB, and resultant of these two vector is this. Done it? So basically VBA is the resultant of VB and minus VB. Done it? And VBA, that is resultant, is making an angle 60 degree with one of the vector, that is minus VB. Sorry, this is minus VA, sorry. It is making an angle of 60 degree with it. So you can use the formula of yeah, angle wala thing, right? क्या कहता है? हमें पता है, if we are having two vectors, vector A and vector B, and if resultant is making an angle theta with B, then tan theta को आप क्या लिखते हो? आप इसको लिखते हो A into sine of this whole angle. Let's say angle between A and B is alpha. A sine alpha divided by B plus A cos alpha. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग रिजल्टेंट ऑफ दिस टू वेक्टर्स. इनके बीच का एंगल क्या होगा? दिस इज 45, दिस विल बिकम 135. सो हियर अल्फा इज हाउ मच? 135. एंड what is your theta here? Theta is 60 degree with माइनस वी ए. सो अगर यहाँ पे आप tan 60 का वैल्यू लिखते हो तो आप क्या लिखोगे? इट इज मेकिंग एन एंगल विथ माइनस वी ए. सो ऑन द न्यूमरेटर यू विल बी टेकिंग वी बी का वैल्यू. सो वी बी साइन 135 डिवाइडेड बाई वी ए प्लस कॉस 135. So you need to put in values very carefully. Cos 135 will be negative. So tan 60 is root 3. VB we don't know. And sine 135 is 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2 divided by VA minus, sorry, यहाँ पे VB भी होगा. So minus VB by root 2. ठीक है? You can solve it and you will be getting the answer. क्योंकि VA का value is given 900 km per hour. Again you can use plane geometry also to solve the question. यहाँ पे देखो, I have told you VBA is what? It is resultant of two vectors, VB and minus VA. So देखो VB is in this direction. यहाँ पे I mean okay, मैंने यहाँ पे direction opposite कर दिया. This is A, this is B basically. So VB is in this direction, right? और minus VA तुम्हारा किधर है? इधर है. डन है. सो VB को पैरेलली आप यहाँ पे लेकर आओ, पैरेलली वी कैन ट्रांसलेट, एंड इफ वी डू दैट, दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट. Done it. So this angle is 60 degree. VB is making how much angle with the x axis direction? 45 degree. This angle will become how much? That will become 75 degree. Now you can use pure law, जो कि ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का एक लॉ है, कि अगर हमारा ऐसा कुछ ट्रायंगल है, ये साइड A ले लो, B ले लो, C ले लो, in terms of length, and let's say this angle is beta, let's say this angle is uh, I mean this angle को कुछ भी गामा ले लो, and let's say this angle is alpha, then A by sine alpha is equal to B by sine beta, ठीक है, is equal to C by sine gamma. ठीक है, similar thing we can use here. We have to calculate what VB, VA is given. So VA by क्या कर सकते हो आप यहाँ पे, VA by, I mean this is VB, right? So VA by sine 75 can be equal to how much? VB by sine 60. ठीक है, so you can write this and after that you can easily solve it. Done. I hope you have got this solution. Even if you're having any doubt, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you.